Hello guys, thank you so much clicking this video. Welcome to my channel Wellbeing Navigator. Today we are in day 2 weight loss product challenge. In this day 2 we will discuss the best product, Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic. What is this product, why we use it, what is the main ingredients in it, what is the ups and downs, everything we will discuss in this video. So let's get into the video. Are you struggling with excess weight, and feeling sluggish? Don't worry, we are introducing Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic, a natural and powerful formula designed to support healthy weight loss, and overall well-being. Unlike many weight loss products on the market, Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic offers a holistic approach to losing weight. It's not just about shedding excess body fat, but also promotes increasing energy, clear thought, and better sleep quality. What sets Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic apart is its proprietary blend of 8 carefully selected natural ingredients. Those components are chosen for their potential to support weight loss and overall well-being. When you use Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic, you can accept a range of both your body and mind form, weight loss support to increased energy levels, and improved sleep quantity. This formula has it all, plus it's proudly manufactured in USA, using the finest ingredients. Try Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic today, and experiences the difference for yourself. Backed by 100% satisfaction guarantee, you can trust that you're getting a high-quality product. Say hello to healthier and happier life, with Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic. Okay, let's see, what kind of ingredients using in this product. In this product have main 5 natural ingredients. Those are diverse health benefits and help to reduce weight. The very first one is Valerian Root, known as natural Valium. It promotes tranquility and better sleep quality by enhancing GABA signaling in the brain, which can help curb nighttime hunger. Graphonia simplicifolia. Extracted from African plant seeds, it's a precursor to serotonin, regulating mood and appetite, potentially reducing craving and impulsive eating habits. Berberine, found in various plants, it activates AMPK enzyme influencing energy, aiding in metabolism regulation and preventing fat storage. Spirulina Blue, a nutrient-rich blue-green algal, it stabilizes blood sugar levels, helping manage hunger by preventing sudden spikes and crashes. Lutein, found in fruits and vegetables. It supports eye health, and may mitigate weight gain by filtering blue light exposure, which impacts circadian rhythms. This is the all ingredients in this product. Let's quick check about this product. Supplement name, Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic. Classification, weight loss product. Overall well-being, supplement form, powder, available in powder, manufactured in an FDA-approved facility in the United States. Main ingredients, Valerian Root, Graphonia simplicifolia, berberine, Spirulina Blue, lutein. Quantity per bottle, 250 grams per bottle. Dosage, mix 1 scoop with water and drink before bed. Benefits, aids in weight loss, target belly fat, boost metabolism, contain natural ingredients, increasing energy levels, improve sleep quantity, enhance skin appearance. Note point, use this product 18+ people only, and this product is the best product for weight loss. It's scientifically proved, so try it once, before using this. Better to consulting the doctor. This is the best product for who guys want to reduce their fat loss. The product link in description, go and check it now. And that's all about this video. Thank you so much watching this video. If you love this video, like, share, subscribe the channel. We will meet with another new video. Until then, love you.